Northeast region LEIBA University Singi Manungda Manipur University Asi Haukiba Chahi Ani Ahum Masida Shingthaningai Oiba Maong Da Phagatlakli HAINA University ASIGI Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA PHONGDORAKLI Wafam Ase Manipur University Students Union Musuna Silaga University ASIGI Auditorium da Pangtokpa World Teachers Day ki Thauram da Mahakna Phongdokkibane Thauram aduda Professor LOKENDRA Hai Haukiba Chahi Khara Asida Manipur University ki teaching learning process ase adukki matik fagalakpa haibadu oire masimakna University ase Northeast region da lepa leitana Shingthaningai Oiba Maong Da Phagatlakli University ani ahungi manungda yawba ngamle Ministry gi Maikaidagi so Northeast region da LEIBA University Sing ase India ge makok thongba University Sing gi manungda yawba ngamnabagi apamba leitaba nate kumja English ngama chamapan humfutara nethoida Department Tara Mathoi Khaktamak Leiraga Hudokiba Manipur University ase ngasidi Department Nifugi Mathakta Leiduna Chauna Awanba ama lakpangamle Tongan pa department singi infrastructure mapung fana upgrade tawduna teaching learning ge process ta khumang chawshin bangamle Hauzik MU da leiriba course sing asigi mathakta tongan ba trade ta diploma course sing hapchinaba thaurang leire masida sunnatina undergraduate amasong postgraduate ke textbook sing translate tonaba UGC na Manipur University da thodang sinarak palai National Education Policy 2020 da akhanaba meeting thamduna UGC ke makhada tongan ba program sing paikhatnaba hotnare haukiba chahi khara asida Manipur University na Shingthaningai Oiba Maong da khumang chawsilakpa ngamliba asida mahairoi singgi achouba thodang yaure Manipur ge hausik oiriba tangdu leitadraba fibam asida University asigi mahairoi khunaina singnaba kaya mayok yaduna Mahai masinda khong thangjiliba ase thaganingai ne mahairoi singna lamdam asigi tangdu leitaba fibam hanjilakna ba hotnabada thodang loba chungane loinana khunai asibusu manglomda changsin ba ngamna ba amate Manipur University ase hena chakhatpa ama oina ba hotnabada logadaba thodang sing mapung fana lobiyu haina Professor LOKENDRA na makhatana phongdokhe
Manipur University, as compared to many other central universities, as Professor Jeevan had already stated earlier, is one of the universities, among two, three universities in the Northeast, which are improving considerably, and the ministry is interested that most of the universities which are there in the first 200, they should work harder in order to improve their ranking in the overall ranking system of the country. And I must also thank the student union, particularly the entire student community, for their very contributory role that they have played in the last 2 years, particularly for their very calm and considerate way in which they have accepted the challenges of the ongoing social unrest in the state.